Hello, my name is Maddie. I'm going to be doing my presentation or video on Kenya. Kenya has always been one of those places that's been on my bucket list, and learning more in depth about their history and the culture of their people and just all the things that affect them has only intensified my desire to travel there. So I'm just going to start with a little bit of physical geography and then we'll delve into a little bit of human geography. Alright, so as you can see, this is a map of Kenya. Kenya is located on the 38th meridian and on the equator. It's bordered by Lake Victoria, which is the second largest fresh body of water in the world. And as you can see, it's zooming in on what is going to be the Rift Valley and the highlands of Kenya. That's where on the west side a lot of our agriculture is going to take place because of the fertile soil. As well as to the north and south are the semi-arid desert areas where a lot of mammals and a lot of their biodiversity takes place. And then to the east is going to be a lot of their human development, cities and urbanization, as well as their coastline, which has developed a lot of their tourism and other parts of their economy. So to begin, we'll start with some biodiversity. So biodiversity is a huge part of the physical geography of Kenya. It's home to the contrasting climates of highlands and evergreen forests in the Rift Valley, semi-arid and arid drylands, as well as coastal regions to the east. This makes for not only diverse plant life, but also animal species, and is home to a wide variety of mammals such as elephants and rhinos, giraffes and wildcats. Highland lakes are home to actually the biggest population of lesser flamingos in the world. So this is also part of the tourism draw in Kenya. However, steps have been made. There have been issues with deforestation and desertification due to grazing of livestock and development in rural areas due to agriculture. But biodiversity is going to be huge, so I have a couple of photos. There's the Rift Valley. There's the semi-arid, where a lot of your mammals are going to be found, and there's the coastal region, the most beautiful beaches in Africa. And then here are some of their wildlife. So these are going to be baby elephants that were orphaned and taken in by one of the poaching preservation programs. So talking about land is going to lead us to the agriculture of Kenya, which is about 1/5 of the GDP made by Kenya, and what employs the majority of the population. Those without higher education typically remain in rural areas and continue to farm. Tea, coffee, fresh flowers, fruits, and vegetables are the main exports. However, tea and coffee are not as big as they were historically when they were still colonized by Britain. Kenya struggled with colonialism early in their culture and regained independence in 1963 when the Republic of Kenya was formed. This was after they struggled through World War I and World War II through famine and drought and inequality in their government. Urbanization and development of cities were addressed to enhance the economy and rights for the people. And they were given freedom of religion and other rights that they had not been given before. And their economy began to grow, and so did their culture. And now they have a lot of their own music, a lot of their own theater, actors, movies, and have become independent.